Hey guys, it's your boy Sherwin. For those of you checking out my channel for the first time, welcome. But for those of you who watched part 1 of my Japan fishing haul, we're going to be checking out some of them in part 2 today. Come along, I'll show you guys around. Now the first rod we're going to be checking out today is the Nissin 450ZX Keiryu rod. I'm going to be fishing that with the Varivas number 3.5 level line and the Varivas Ti Nicks number 3. Line burst. Missed. Hook didn't go in. Let's try again. Oh. Now we are on. Now we're talking. I don't know why I put myself through this. That was fun. Let's do that again. Okay, buddy. There you go. Let's do that again. Second thing we're going to be testing out is this little guy. Let's see how he holds up. Now I've got this Egg Arm Shorty paired to Daiwa Ballistic LT200 DXH, and we're going to try for some of these fish in the beginner pond. Lampan.
Was it?
Lampan.
Oh.
Thanks for coming along with me today, guys. If you like what you see and you want to see more fishing related content, hit the like and subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.